stupid redo thing we're doing, that you can actually go to Arlington's website. Hello everyone, this is Amanda with Martin Yale Industries. I'm here today with Samantha, our customer service manager, and we are going to show you the components of one of our ballot kits, which has the 1812 paper folder in it and the 62001 letter opener. Everybody is muted right now, but if you have any questions or anything like that, please unmute yourself and go ahead and ask. Hi everyone, this is Amanda with Martin Yale Industries. Hi everyone, this is Amanda with Martin Yale Industries. I'm here today with Samantha, our customer service manager, and we are going to show you some machines from our ballot kit, the 1812 paper folder, and also the 62001 high-speed letter opener. We do have everybody on mute just to start off. If you have any questions, please go ahead and unmute yourself and ask away. Let's go through the folder here real quick. This is again the model 1812 paper folder. It's great for use in mailrooms, offices, churches, schools, businesses, and other associations. It has multi-speed capabilities. It's easy to switch from one paperweight to another without making any adjustments, which saves time between folding jobs. The feed table has a capacity of about 500 sheets of standard 20-pound bond paper. It's got a straightforward display for manual folding and speed selection. It also does have a fold chart on the front, which is going to help you decide where to set your fold tables at. Fold tables are fully enclosed for quieter operation, and it automatically shuts off when a fold job is complete. This unit will handle paper sizes from 2.5 inches up to 5.2 inches to 12 inches by 18 inches, which is the bigger size, large format paper. It'll run at about 12,000 sheets per hour max speed and takes paperweights from 18-pound bond up to 90-pound index. This is a manual setup of your fold tables. So we're going to walk you through that real quick and show you how this works. This is a fold table for these machines. And as you can see, there's a little thumb knob. 1 and 2 at the bottom tells you what position. And then you've got inches on one side and centimeters on the other. We're in the US, so obviously it's a little bit easier for us to use the inches side. And to adjust this, all you do is loosen this black knob in the middle and line it up with the letter that you need. And then it just slides right back into this machine. And this is, there's some glare here. This is the folding chart on the front of the machine. It's going to tell you how to set things up. I know you can't see that very detailed right now, but there's a chart on here with some letters, and you just look for your paper size, and then there's a letter that corresponds with the mark on the fold table, and that's how you set it up. This particular machine set up to do a letter fold for us today because that's the most common thing we deal with. All you do is push the tray down, load your paper in, and there's a red lever on the side you push to release your fold table spring or your feed table spring. I turn the machine on, which this one's already on. There's just a power switch, and then you have 2 buttons, make it super easy to operate. You have a test button. We're going to go ahead and run a quick test here. Test button is going to run 2 pages through your folder, and that way you can take a look at it, make sure that's exactly what you need, and that is what we were going for. So then there's just a green run stop button, super simple, and there's a speed adjustment. so if you have something lighter or heavier, sometimes it's easier if you just adjust the speed. And then there is a conveyor exit. A lot of white out here. So the material just comes down this feed table or the exit tray, and you can collect it at the end. Any questions on the paper folder? All right, we're going to move on to the letter opener. This is one of our favorite machines just because it's so simple, it's so easy to run, and it saves you so much time in the long run. When you get this machine out of the box, let me tell you a little bit about it first. Both of these machines are US made right here in our factory in Wabash, Indiana. We always like to tell people that, especially this time of year, because we know a lot of places are looking for US made machines. This is Martin Yale's largest letter opener. It's ideal for large businesses and mailrooms. Fully enclosed blades, keep your fingers out of the way. Automatically feeds, opens, and collects a stack of envelopes. You can start with a stack at about 6 inches tall, and it's going to run them through at about 17,000 envelopes per hour. That is the max speed on it. It will open a wide variety of envelopes. It doesn't have to be your standard number 9 or number 10. It does do different sizes, and up to about 1/4 inch thick. There is an adjustable cutting width, so you can adjust the scrap size if you need to, from 1/16 of an inch up to 3/16 of an inch. It does have a removable receiving tray on the end to keep the scraps apart from the opened envelopes. And that's really all you have to take out of the box is this piece right here. You can see the scrap goes into that back slot. Your mail is going to fall into the front. That way you don't have to worry about sorting out the trash. All right, we're going to load this machine, and like I said, super, super easy. You take your stack, you're going to tap it down. You want all your material to be the end that you are not opening, and that way you don't cut into any of the material that's inside the letter opener. You put them on your feed tray, and then there is a power button on the front. You just hit the button, and it feeds them through and opens them. As you can see, that was a pretty good stack of envelopes, and it flies through there pretty quick, and then you're done. So something that would have taken you quite a bit of time to do with a manual letter opener, you're done with in what was that, 20, 30 seconds? And then you can see where the scrap is in one side and your opened letters are on the other side. We do recommend that you open the bottom of the envelope. Just makes it a little bit easier so you don't get into any staples or paper clips that people inadvertently put in there. Does anybody have any questions about either one of these machines? Again, like I said, you're all on mute. So if you do have a question, please go ahead and hit your unmute button at the bottom corner. Oh, you guys are quiet today. All right, well, if you think of something later, if you do have questions, please check out our website at martinyale.com. You can email us at info@martinyale.com. Your sales rep will be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. You can also reach us by phone at 800-225-5644. Thank you for your time today, and I hope you have a wonderful afternoon.
I have one question.
Sure.
Can you hear me? Will it open a number 12 envelope? I didn't hear what the sizes were.
Yes, it will open a number 12 envelope. The only thing that you're really limited by on this opener is the size of this tray. The width of this tray here is, if you've got something that hangs over too far, it's going to try to fall off the edge. So if you've got something that hangs over very far, you might have to kind of help it a little bit. But it'll still fly through the opening with no problem.
So if you were if you're opening just an end, you know, like on a number 12, you'd probably run into problems. You need to open either the top or the bottom of it. Is that correct?
The top or the bottom, yes. The top or the bottom works better. Here, we've got a stack here that we're gonna put on here for you. It does sit on there better if you do it top or bottom. You can open the end, but it's something you just kind of have to keep a better eye on. It's not something you're gonna be able to walk away from.
Okay. And what size are those?
Those are, I want to say 9 by 12.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Well, our ballot by mail envelopes, the ones that will come back to us are, I'm saying it's a number 12. It's 11.5 inches wide anyway.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, that was about that size. And that's actually, those envelopes were ballot return envelopes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. Well, I sure do appreciate it.
Oh, no problem. Anything else from anybody?
One other thing. I'm sorry.
Sure.
Have y'all done a demo on the 2051 paper folder?
Yes, we do have that. Are you Mark? Is that who I'm talking to?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to send us an email,
Okay.
the info@martinyale.com, and just ask for the 2051 demo, we can send it to you. That's no problem.
Okay. Okay. Sounds great.
All right.
Great. From what I understand is the setup on the 2051 is nearly automatic. Isn't that right? If you're changing from one size to another.
Yes, it is a push button setup is all it is. You push a button to tell it what size your paper is. You push another button to tell it what fold you're doing, and it will set itself up. And then you just hit the test and the run button just like this one did.
Okay. Okay. Well, I sure do appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right.
All right. Thanks, everybody, for being here. And if you have any other questions, let us know.
Thanks, Amanda.
Thanks, Mike.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.